Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Voice is not available in your country in 2025. Google Voice is still officially limited to certain regions, mainly the United States. To fix this, you'll need to use a reliable VPN set to a US location before accessing the Google Voice website or app. So if you are using Google Voice in your PC, so you can just simply search for any VPN available. And if you are specifically using Chrome browser, then you can just search for Chrome extension and search for a VPN and just add any of them. So I have just added free VPN for Chrome, VPN proxy VPN, and after adding it to your Chrome, you will just see it from here extensions, and if you click on that, you can see you can just v on the VPN, and you can also select the regions. You can select USA from here, like I'll select Virginia and turn on the VPN, and just then you can access the Google Voice from here. And if possible, you can also verify your account uh, by taking a help from your friend who lives on USA. Like porting numbers or calling may still require a valid US billing address or phone line. Alternatively, consider using other services available in your country, as bypassing regional restrictions may violate Google terms of service. Always check the latest availability on Google's official support pages before proceeding. So that's it for today. See you on the next video.